Yes, this is two dogs fighting, and they're attacking the fat man.
Oh my god!
Fat man, attacking the fat man. Yes, get the fat man. Wait, they're biting his arm. Bite his arm off. Yes, doggy, Pitbull, bite his dog.
Oh my god!
Bite his dog.
Cody, get away!
Yeah, bite his arm. Hey, bite his arm. Stop it.
Oh, we're interviewing here with Marcus Sacatori and
Hello.
Alicia.
Hi, Anthony.
He has no
Oh
name.
yes, and the dog's winning, but the kids doing.
No, I'm gonna interview these two. Okay, Mr. Sir, I forgot your name.
Hello, the dog
Oh, hello, Mr. Populodropolis.
No.
How would you like this fight right here?
Oh well, there's a girl beating up other dogs. Oh my god.
What about the big guy?
The little kid's talking.
What about the big guy? What about the big guy?
Okay, now.
Look, he's bit his head.
Oh, the kid's grabbing his balls.
He's grabbing his balls. Oh no.
Oh, he's switching over to him
Oh, look,
upside
the
down.
dog's biting the kid's balls.
Oh no, here we go. Oh, he has his crotch open.
He likes to lick
He's
it.
letting him lick him out.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay, the kid's going on the ground. Saxophone's gone. He's grabbing him. Look at the kid go. Look at the dog. So buttons. His mouse is winning. The brown one's winning. He goes Big Brown around the corner. He can go. Oh, way. Can I have my speaker back, please?
Yeah, I'm back. I was with my girlfriend in the back room. Sorry.
Look at him. Why are you touching him like that?
You're making out in the girls' bathroom.
Oh my god, he has him by a headlock. He's putting him in the armbar. He's going low.
Yeah, I was in the bathroom with
Here
my
he
girlfriend.
goes. He's really doing it. Oh my.
Hello. It's me. I'm back.
Look at that guy. What is he
Yeah, look at that
doing?
girl right there.
Oh my god, it's your ponytail.
Oh, look at that computer. It almost fell right off our stand here.
Why is that kid have him in the headlock?
Yeah, shut up, kid. Yeah, we got that booty in here.
What time is it? I gotta
We-
take my monthly poop.
We got strippers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
My spicy salsa.
Hello.
Spicy salsa. Salsa, I say salsa. Look at the Duca butt.
That's Duga right there.
That's Duca butt.
Duga butt. He is
Duca
a...
butt. Look at him, how cute he is, the Duca butt.
You got slobber all over him there.
Hey.
Yeah, you did.
Back, Duca butt. Oh my god, it's moving. Look at the white dog, he's up in the pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just with my boyfriend the other day and we were sleeping in the same bed. Oh my god! Look at him go!
Me! Get off me!
Oh my god, he's setting him! He's going for the low one. No.
Flipping on that big shot here, see? Look at them. Alright, cut this. Yeah, we're back. Me and Jigabah.
Oh, when are we gonna be done with this show?
We got about, I would say, 30 seconds left.
When are we gonna
30
go?
seconds,
When are we gonna go eat that beef stew, huh?
It's not beef stew, it's made from squirrel.
Can we go to Oh, look at those balls! There's those balls and those dogs. He doesn't have any anymore.
Bye-bye.
Good night, everybody. Good night.